Driven Dreams family, welcome back. This is the 2026 GMC Sierra 1500. Not just a truck, but a statement of power, purpose, and progress. For years, the GMC Sierra has stood as the premium face of American truck culture. Rugged enough for the work site, refined enough for the valet line. And now the 2026 model is gearing up to rewrite the playbook once again. With a complete redesign rumored to bring sharper styling, new tech integrations, and updated powertrain options, the Sierra 1500 isn't just evolving. It's transforming into a versatile powerhouse built for today's drivers and tomorrow's challenges. Whether you're hauling gear through a muddy job site, towing a boat to the lake, or cruising downtown in Denali-level comfort, the 2026 Sierra 1500 wants to do it all and look good doing it. Let's talk design, because GMC is going bold. The 2026 Sierra 1500 will reportedly undergo one of its most significant visual overhauls to date. Expect a more aggressive front end with a larger, more sculpted grille that reinforces the truck's presence. Signature C-shaped LED daytime running lights are back and sharper than ever, framing reworked headlights that offer a more modern, high-tech vibe. Think muscle and precision fused into one aesthetic. The side profile retains its iconic shoulder line, a bold crease that runs from headlamp to tail light, giving the truck a sense of motion, strength, and solidity. Expect crisp contouring and chiseled body lines that make this full-size pickup feel planted and poised. Around the back, redesigned LED tail lights anchor the rear end, potentially updated with C-style or split-bar lighting elements. A refreshed tailgate, possibly integrating the multi-pro system with 6-function flexibility, rounds out a rear end that blends function and finesse. In short, this isn't just a truck. It's a visual powerhouse that commands attention, whether you're at the construction site or the country club. Step inside the 2026 Sierra 1500, and you're greeted by a cabin tailored to all types of drivers, from weekend warriors to high-end haulers. Depending on trim, configurations range from a no-nonsense work truck with durable materials to the luxury-laden Denali or AT4X trims with leather-wrapped dash panels, wood accents, and cutting-edge digital displays. Expect these interior upgrades: a new 13.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system, standard on higher trims, a customizable 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto Google built-in navigation and voice assistant, optional Bose premium sound system on SLT and above. Cab options include regular cab for pure work utility, double cab perfect for the mixed-use driver, crew cab offering true SUV-level rear legroom. Seating configurations will range from 3 to 6, depending on cab and trim, with premium climate-controlled front seats available on higher trims. What really makes or breaks a truck is what's under the hood, and the 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 is coming prepared. Here's what we know and what we expect. Standard engine, 2.7-liter turbocharged inline for 310 horsepower, 430 pound-feet of torque, balanced for fuel economy, daily drivability, and light towing. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, perfect for drivers who want power without the penalty at the pump. Duramax 3.0-liter, turbo diesel inline 6, estimated 277 to 305 horsepower torque, expected between 460 to 495 pound-feet, increased towing capacity and highway efficiency. Great for long hauls, trailer towing, and low RPM torque lovers. Optional V8s. Though unconfirmed, GMC may still offer its tried-and-true 5.3-liter or 6.2-liter V8s in select trims. Especially performance-leaning or off-road focused models like the AT4X. Expect smooth shifting from GM's 10-speed automatic, optimized for both towing and everyday ease. Let's not forget what this truck is really built for. Whether you need to tow your tools or toys, the Sierra 1500 is ready to pull. Towing capacity, estimated up to 13,200 pounds depending on configuration. Payload capacity, likely around 2,200 pounds. Integrated trailer brake controller, pro-grade trailering tech, and a trailer camera system add peace of mind and confidence. Plus, GMC's adaptive ride control on select trims offers an impressively smooth ride, whether you're loaded up or rolling empty. For off-roaders, trims like the AT4 and AT4X will bring factory lift kits, skid plates, off-road suspension, and front-rear e-lockers, turning the Sierra into a trail-ready beast. GMC knows trucks are more than just torque numbers. Today's buyers want smart technology, and the Sierra delivers. Expect head-up display, surround vision camera system, GM Super Cruise, available on Denali and Denali Ultimate. Wireless charging pad, over-the-air software updates, safety tech includes forward collision alert, automatic emergency braking lane, keep assist with lane departure, warning front and rear park assist. For 2026, GMC is aiming to make advanced driver assistance standard across more trims, not just the top-shelf models. The Sierra 1500 will again come in a wide range of trims. Pro SLE Elevation, SLT AT4, Denali AT4X. Denali Ultimate pricing is expected to start around $39,000 for the base Pro trim and climb towards $79,000 plus for a fully loaded Denali Ultimate with Super Cruise. With its mix of utility, luxury, and capability, the Sierra sits in the same league as the Ram 150, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, but it leans more upscale, especially in upper trims. The 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 doesn't just meet expectations, it reshapes them. This is a truck that doesn't compromise. Toughness meets tech. Muscle meets luxury work meets weekend. Whether you're hauling equipment, towing your weekend toys, or showing up in style, the 2026 Sierra proves that modern pickups can do it all, and do it with confidence. Would you take the 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 over a Ford F-1500 or Ram 1500? Let us know in the comments. And if you want to see how this Sierra stacks up to the 2026 Toyota Tundra, click the video on screen right now. Subscribe to Polo for weekly deep dives into the best of today's cars and tomorrow's icons.